Ever pondered how much you know about the world's endangered species? It's a question that many of us might find challenging to answer. We're often familiar with the plight of the charismatic and adorable creatures that grace our screens and storybooks. But what about the rest of the animal kingdom? Our world is teeming with a remarkable diversity of life, each species playing a unique role in the intricate web of our ecosystems. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every creature contributes to the balance of nature in its own distinctive way. However, many of these species are facing an unseen crisis. Their existence threatened, their roles in the ecosystem jeopardized, and their stories largely untold. This is especially true for those creatures that may not fit our traditional definition of cute or appealing. So let's broaden our perspective. Today, we're taking a journey into the lives of some endangered species that may not be conventionally cute, but are critically important. First, we introduce the pangolin, an unusual creature often referred to as the world's most trafficked mammal. Picture a creature armored with scales, eyes as curious as a child's, and a tongue longer than its body. This is the pangolin, a unique inhabitant of our planet who, despite being somewhat of an enigma, plays a vital role in our ecosystem. The pangolin is not a creature you'd encounter on a regular stroll in the park. It's primarily a nocturnal animal, and its diet consists mostly of ants and termites. Using their elongated, sticky tongues, they can consume up to 20,000 insects in a single day. That's a lot of pest control, don't you think? But the pangolin is more than just an organic pest controller. Its presence in the ecosystem helps maintain balance. When they burrow, they churn the soil, aiding in nutrient mixing and improving soil health. They also serve as natural indicators of the ecosystem's health. Unfortunately, this fascinating creature is under severe threat. Its unique scales, which act as a natural armor, are highly sought after in illegal wildlife trade. These scales, made of keratin, the same protein that forms our hair and nails, are falsely believed to have medicinal properties in some cultures. The reality is, they don't. In addition to this, their meat is considered a delicacy, and their habitats are shrinking due to deforestation and urbanization. These factors have led to a significant decline in pangolin populations, with some species now critically endangered. The plight of the pangolin is not just about the loss of an individual species. The disappearance of the pangolin from our ecosystems could have domino effects, destabilizing the balance and affecting other species as well. The pangolin's tale is a stark reminder of the devastating impacts of illegal wildlife trade. It's a call to action for us all to stand against such practices, to raise awareness, and to work towards preserving the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Remember, every creature, no matter how seemingly insignificant, plays a role in the grand tapestry of life. Meet the orangutan, a charismatic primate facing a battle for survival. In the verdant jungles of Borneo and Sumatra, a tale of perseverance unfolds, starring the orangutan. This is no ordinary primate. With a striking reddish-brown hair and an intellect to match, the orangutan navigates the complex world of the wild with a finesse that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. Orangutans are not just survivors, they are innovators. Known for their remarkable problem-solving skills, they're often seen using tools in their quest for food. They're social creatures, forming intricate bonds and hierarchies that resemble human societies in many ways. Their intelligence is only surpassed by their empathy, with mothers nurturing their young for as long as 8 years, one of the longest periods in the animal kingdom. But the orangutan's odyssey is not just about their fascinating life in the wild. It's also about the challenges that these magnificent creatures face every day. The lush forests that they call home are shrinking at an alarming rate, primarily due to deforestation for palm oil production. This habitat loss doesn't just threaten the orangutans, it threatens the intricate web of life that these forests support. Moreover, the illegal pet trade poses another significant threat to these intelligent primates. Baby orangutans are often captured and sold as pets, a practice that not only causes immense suffering to the animals, but also contributes to the decline of their populations in the wild. Despite these challenges, the orangutan continues to endure, to adapt, and to thrive. They are a testament to the indomitable spirit of life, a beacon of hope in a world marred by environmental crises. But their story is also a stark reminder of the urgent need for change. As we marvel at the intelligence and resilience of the orangutan, let's not forget the role we play in their survival. Our choices, our actions, and our commitment to sustainable practices can make a world of difference to these magnificent creatures. The orangutan's story underscores the urgent need for sustainable land use practices. Now, let's dive into the waters with the vaquita, the world's most endangered marine mammal. The vaquita, a unique and elusive creature, is a small porpoise that calls the warm, shallow waters of the Gulf of California home. Its name, a term of endearment in Spanish, translates to little cow, a nod to its diminutive size and cow-like dark rings around the eyes. What sets the vaquita apart is its remarkable adaptation to its marine habitat. With a body that's more streamlined than any other porpoise, it's a swift swimmer, slicing through the water with ease. Its large dorsal fin and flippers enable it to navigate the warm waters, while its thick layer of blubber provides insulation against the cool temperatures at night. Yet it's this very habitat that's endangering the vaquita's existence. Unknown to many, a silent crisis is unfolding beneath the waves. The vaquita is at the mercy of bycatch, unintentionally caught in gill nets used for fishing other marine species. These nets, invisible in the murky waters, entangle the vaquitas, preventing them from surfacing for air, leading to their untimely demise. Compounding the problem is the illegal fishing of the totoaba, a fish whose bladder is a coveted commodity in black markets overseas. The vaquita, similar in size to the totoaba, often falls victim to these nets, their numbers dwindling at an alarming pace. Despite its elusive nature and small population, the vaquita's plight has not gone unnoticed. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this marine marvel, from banning gill nets to implementing vaquita-safe fishing gear, and pushing for stronger enforcement against illegal fishing. The fight for the vaquita's survival is a pressing one. The vaquita's narrative serves as a poignant reminder of the need for sustainable fishing practices. This small, unassuming marine creature is a testament to the intricate balance of life beneath the waves, a balance that's under threat from human activities. The vaquita's voyage, a journey fraught with danger and uncertainty, is a story of resilience and hope, a call for us to rethink our relationship with the natural world. Finally, let's swing into the trees with the proboscis monkey, a distinctive primate under threat. With an unusually large and pendulous nose that makes it stand out in the primate world, the proboscis monkey is a unique resident of the Borneo rainforests. A day in the life of a proboscis monkey is a rhythmic dance of feeding, resting, and socializing. These monkeys are arboreal creatures, meaning they spend most of their time in the treetops. Their diet primarily consists of leaves, fruits, seeds, and the occasional insect. Their large bellies house a complex digestive system, specially adapted to break down toxins found in certain leaves. But what really sets these monkeys apart is their striking appearance. Males are particularly distinguishable with their large, bulbous noses and pot bellies. They're not winning any beauty pageants in the animal kingdom, but their unique looks serve a purpose. The male's sizable schnoz is used to attract females and assert dominance, while their large stomachs are a sign of their leaf-heavy diet. Despite their fascinating adaptations, proboscis monkeys are facing a grim reality. Their homes are disappearing at an alarming rate due to deforestation and human encroachment. As the forests are cleared for palm oil plantations and human settlements, these distinctive primates are losing their food sources and shelter. The proboscis monkey's ability to adapt to these changes is limited. They are poor travelers, and their specialized diet means they can't just move to a new area and expect to find the same food resources. With fewer trees to swing from and fewer leaves to eat, their numbers are dwindling. The situation might seem bleak, but it's not hopeless. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this species and their habitat. By raising awareness and supporting these initiatives, we can play a part in ensuring that future generations will still be able to witness the unique spectacle of the proboscis monkey in the wild. The proboscis monkey's tale emphasizes the critical importance of preserving natural habitats. As we've seen, each of these species plays a unique role in our global ecosystem. The pangolin, with its peculiar scales, helps control insect populations. The orangutan, with its wise eyes, plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the rainforests. The vaquita, the smallest marine cetacean, is a vital part of our ocean's biodiversity. And let's not forget the proboscis monkey, with its distinctive nose that helps propagate plant life in its habitat. Each of these remarkable creatures is facing a serious threat. Whether it's poaching, deforestation, pollution, or climate change, their survival hangs in the balance. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway, striving to protect these species from the brink of extinction. These initiatives need our support, our awareness, and our action. Remember, every action counts. Your contribution to conservation efforts can help ensure these species have a future.